wrong? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Nora, I don't know where it went. The ring,
Do I look sharp, Dad? I want to look my best for Aunt Nora's wedding.
You look very sharp, buddy. Let's get going. We don't want to be late.
Do I look ready for the wedding?
You look amazing, honey. Let's go.
Everyone ready? We don't want to be late.
All set. Let's go, kids.
Look, Mommy! The ocean is so sparkly. I can't wait to see Aunt Nora get married.
All right, let's check in and get ready. The pre-wedding party starts soon.
Yes, I can't wait to see everyone all dressed up. Is this our room, Daddy? Can I see the ocean from inside?
This is it, sweetheart. Let's go in and find out.
Mommy, look! I can see the ocean waves from right here. Mommy, can I wear this pretty flower in my hair for the party?
Of course, sweetie. It will look beautiful with your dress.
Everyone ready? Let's go enjoy the party. I hear the music already.
Wow, look at all the lights! This is so pretty.
Sophia! I'm so glad you're here. Kids, come meet Marcus. He's going to be your new uncle.
It's so wonderful to finally meet you all. Nora, this table looks perfect.
Just like everything else you've planned for tonight. I couldn't have done it without everyone's help. Come on, Marcus. One dance before the big day tomorrow. Before tomorrow gets busy, I wanted to give you something small, sis. Sophia, you didn't have to. Let me see what it is. Sophia, these were Grandma's earrings. I can't believe you kept them for me, old and something borrowed for tomorrow, sis.
To Nora and Marcus, be the beginning of many beautiful years together.
It's getting late, and tomorrow's a big day. Let's all get some rest. Good night, sis. Sleep well. Tomorrow is going to be beautiful.
I'm so sleepy, Mommy, but I'm excited for the wedding tomorrow.
Good night, my loves.
Mommy! Wake up! Wake up! It's the wedding day! Aunt Nora...
Everyone looks wonderful. Let's go check on Aunt Nora before the ceremony starts.
Look! The signs are pointing this way. Aunt Nora's room must be close.
Nora, it's us. Are you ready for us to come in? Come in, come in. I'm so glad you're all here. I could use some company while I get ready. I can't believe today is finally here. I'm so happy you're helping me get ready.
Nora, I hate to worry you, but I can't find the ring anywhere in my room.
Okay, let's not panic. Let's all go help Marcus look. Quick work. Marcus, what's wrong? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Nora, I don't know where it went. The ring, Thank you all so much for coming. I've checked my jacket twice, but it's just not there.
I think I see something shiny under here. I found it! It must have rolled under the bed last night.
Edward, you are officially my hero today. Thank you so much, buddy. The ceremony starts in 15 minutes. Let's all get to our places.
I can't believe how beautiful everything looks.
Look, Aunt Nora's going to walk down there any minute now. They look so happy. I can't wait for the party after this. Look, big cake! I can't wait to celebrate at the party.
Let's go celebrate properly now. The cake is waiting for us.
Ready? Let's cut it together, just like everything else today.
Look at that, our first cut as a married couple. Let's share it with everyone!
Yummy! This is the best cake I've ever had.
What a beautiful day this has been. Thank you for letting us be part of it. Thank you all for everything. Have a safe trip home and give New York a big hug from me. That was such a beautiful wedding. Let's get some rest. We have a flight home tomorrow.
I'm tired, but today was the best day ever. I can't wait to tell my friends about it. I'm bringing my bunny home so he can see New York too.
Emmy, sweet, time to wake up. We have a flight to catch this morning.
Good morning, Mommy.
Come on, buddy, rise and shine. We don't want to miss our flight.
Good morning, everyone. Let's get freshened up before breakfast. Here we go. Nice, comfy clothes for our flight home today.
I feel so comfy. Can we go eat breakfast now? I'm hungry.
All right, let's head down and grab some breakfast before we leave.
I'm gonna miss this place, but I can't wait to see New York again. This table is right by the window. I can see the beach from here.
Eat up, everyone. We've got a long day of travel ahead of us.
That was delicious. All right, let's get moving. The taxi should be here soon.
Breakfast was so good. Now let's go catch our flight.
We're all checked out. Thank you for a wonderful stay. Perfect timing. The shuttle will get us to the airport nice and early.
Bye-bye, palm trees. We'll come back and visit again someday.
Here we are. Let's head inside and find our check-in counter.
Boarding is. Now we just have to go through security, right? Look, Mommy, the bags are going on a little conveyor ride.
All done. Great job, everyone. Let's go collect our things.
All set. Now let's find our gate and get comfortable while we wait.
I love sitting by the window. I can see everything from up here. Look, I can see our city. We're almost home.
We made it home, everyone. Let's grab our things and head out.
Home sweet home.
Home at last. What an unforgettable trip that was. You know, kids, the best trips aren't about the place. They're about who's beside you.
If you loved our wedding adventure, hit subscribe to Toontiples. There's always a new story waiting for you. My family and I always have so much fun together. Who do you have the most fun with? Comment below.